morning, students. Now, last class already we discussed about what is the Bruce theorem and Lagrange theorem. Now, today's topic is tangent and normal to a plane. Okay, that means here one curve is given. Okay, let us say this is a curve. Let us say this is a curve y equal to f of x. Any curve is given. So, find the tangent. First, find the tangent, then number. Okay, find the tangent to the curve at the point. हम 10th class में पढ़े ना सोचो पर एक बिंदु जाने. So tangent can be drawn only one point. Okay, let us say this is a curve and one is point is given. Suppose this is a P is a point. Suppose whose coordinate is x1 and y1. So what is the equation of tangent? Now this is a tangent. This is a tangent. Okay, suppose this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. Okay, so this is a, let us say P and a PT is the equation of tangent. That means here one curve is given, any curve is given from the curve. So what is the slope of the tangent? Find out. 10th class में पढ़ा था, first class में first में था. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation line passes the point and whose slope is. That means, or you can write point slope form. Point slope form. That means y minus y equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. So here x1, y1 are the point, and m is the slope. Now here what is the definition? Let y equal to f of x be a continuous graph. This is a continuous graph. Okay. So what is a continuous? Left element, right element, note that. Okay. And let a point P x1 y1. Suppose this is a point P x1 y1 be a point on it. Then the slope of the tangent to the curve. So dy by dx. Okay. So y equal given. So find the dy by dx. Let us say dy by dx equal to f dash x. Okay, at the point at x1 y1, then what is the dy by dx? Or you can write here x1 y1, or some book is given p is given. Let us say 10 side, or this is a we can write f. Okay, so therefore the equation of tangent equal to therefore the equation of tangent. So that means this is the equation of tangent. PT is the equation of tangent. Already we know that this is a point slope form. This is a slope, this is a slope, and this is a point. Now use this formula. So equation of tangent y minus y1. Here m equal to dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. Okay. For finding the equation of tangent, one curve must be given, one point is given, then find the derivative dy by dx. Point is given, now substitute what is the slope, find out, then find the equation of tangent. This is for find the equation of tangent. Okay, next one is equation of normal. This is a Pn equation of the normal. So these two are perpendicular to each other. So slope of the tangent Pt into slope of Pn equal to -1 because these two are perpendicular. We know that m1 into m2 equal to -1, or you can write slope of Pt, slope of the tangent, and to slope of normal equal to -1. So slope of the normal equal to how much? Minus slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Okay, so therefore this is the first one, find the equation of tangent, and second one, the equation of normal. So y minus y1, slope of the normal equal minus 1 by slope of the, this is the slope of the tangent. So dy by dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1, or you can write y minus y1 equal to minus dx by dy at x1 y1 into x minus x1. Either write this one or this one. Better write first one. Okay? Because slope of the normal equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent. So these two are is very very important for finding the equation of tangent and equation of normal. So that means here one. So there are two requirements. One is chord, and second one is point. Okay. So then find the equation of tangent. Okay. Tangent and normal to a plane curve and to a given point. Now this is a given point. Be a point. Okay. Suppose these two are very important. Okay. Suppose curve is given and point is not given. That means another condition is the slope of tangent is parallel to the another line. Another line. Okay. So what is the dy by dx find out? So if two lines are parallel, we know that m1 equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular, we know that m1 and m2 equal minus 1. Okay. So this is the second case. Okay. But these two are given, then find the equation of tangent. So first curve is given. From the curve, what is the dy by dx find out? First one. Then substitute at the point, what is the slope of the tangent find out? Then use the formula. Y minus y1 equal to m into dy by dx into x minus x1. Then find the equation normal, same thing. Okay. Now some important note you can write. So notes. Okay. Now note. Let us say. Now here slope first point let us say. Tangent slope is parallel to x-axis. So slope parallel to x-axis means this is a curve, this is a tangent. Okay, now this is the slope is parallel to x-axis. Okay, or you can write, or also you can write slope is perpendicular to y-axis. Same logic is the same. Perpendicular, this is a perpendicular to y-axis. Okay, and this is a parallel to x-axis. Where the slope is parallel to x-axis, what is the condition? Now here dy by dx equal to 0, m equal to 0. Because this is a slope, now theta equal to 0. So m equal to 0. This is the first point. Now second one, suppose this is a curve and this is a tangent. Okay? Or this is the tangent. Slope slope is perpendicular to how much? X-axis or parallel to this is parallel to y-axis. Here m equal to 0 or theta equal to 0, or you can write theta equal to 0 Here this is the 90 degree. Okay. Now here theta equal to 90 degree. That means dx by dy, or you can write dy by dx at x1 y1 equal to 10 sine. Okay, so 10 sine 90. That means, or you can write dx by dy at x1 y1 equal to cosine, because 1 by 10 theta equal to cos theta. Now at theta equal to psi, so dx by dy at x1 y1 equal to 0. Now here this two are condition. Here x1 y1. Okay. Now this two are condition. Slope of the tangent is, for example, one suppose curve is given, but point is not given. But one condition is given. Slope is parallel to the x-axis. So what is the dy by dx find out? dy by dx is 0. Then what is the y find out? Now substitute y equal to given y equal to something. Let us say given function. Then what is the x find out? Okay. Now, for example, find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. Okay. Now here let us say one question is find the equation of tangent or normal. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve. This is the curve at the point. That means here curve is given and point is given. First question. Second question first one discuss. Okay, the first one. So here curve is given 3x square plus 5y square equal to 23. 23 at the point minus 1, 2. Okay. So what is the equation of tangent? First write the formula. So equation of tangent y minus y1 equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of tangent. Okay. So what is the equation normal? Equation of normal y minus y1 equal to minus 1 by dy by dx x1 y1 into x minus x1. Okay. Now these two are formula. Okay. Now here, so x1 y1 is given. So here point is given. So here x1 y1 given. Now from the curve, so find the what the dy by dx find out. Okay. Now here curve is 3x square 5y square equal 23. Suppose the equation number 1. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, both sides. Okay, both sides. Okay. So what is the derivative of x square? 2x. So 2 into 3 6x. What is the derivative of y square? 2y. So 10y into dy by dx become with respect to x. Here with respect to x, so dx by dx equal to 1. So equal to derivative constant equal to 0. Okay, we will discuss this is 0. Now dy by dx equal to minus 6x by 10y or minus 3x by 5y. Okay, now to cancel out. Okay. Now here given point x equal to this is x and y. Coordinate first is x coordinate, second is the y coordinate. At minus 1, 2. So what is the dy by dx? Minus 1, 2. Now substitute x equal minus 1, minus 3, minus 1, 5 into 2. 2. So 3 by 10. So ये भी आ गया. Then substitute. Therefore, the equation of tangent y minus y1, what is the y1? This is x1 and this is the y1. Okay. So y minus y1 2 into dy by dx 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 into x minus x1, minus or minus plus 1. Okay, now after the simplification we get the answer. Okay, now by cross multiplication, 10 into y minus 2 equal to 3 into x plus 1. Okay, or 3x minus 10y plus almost 3 plus 23 equal to 0. Now this is the equation of answer. Okay, 3x 10y minus 20, this is plus 20 plus 3. Okay, next one. So, and second one is equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 equal to, so this is a minus 1 by dy by dx, this is a dy by dx, so minus 1 by dy by dx into x plus 1, or you can write, so y minus 2 minus 10 by 3 into x plus 3, sorry, x plus 1. Now by cross multiplication, 3 into y minus 2 equal to minus 10 into x plus 1, or you can write 10x plus 3y plus 4 minus 6 plus 10. So 4 equals 0. Now this is the equation of normal. Okay. Now you find the tangent normal to the curve. Now this to our formula. Okay. So what is the dy by dx? Find out. Now here x1 y1 point is given. Okay. Now this is the curve. Now differentiate with respect to x. What is the derivative of x square? 2x into 3, 6x. Derivative y square 2y into 5, 10y into dy by dx equal to 0. Now after simplification we get this one. A substitute at x1 y1 we get this is the slope. Slope आ गया point है already given. Then use the formula these two. So after simplification we get these two answer. Okay. Now this is the first example. Okay. Now second one is okay. Now second one. So find the point. What is the point finder on that curve? Suppose one curve is given. Let's say this is a curve is given. What is the point finder? This is point finder. Okay. Now the way the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Now this is a tangent is parallel to the x-axis. X-axis. What is the condition? When the tangent is parallel to the x-axis, not dy by dx is 0. Okay. Now here the curve is given. So solution. Now y square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a curve is given. Now the condition is the tangent is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, what is the slope find out? Now 2y, or you can write, so this is equation number 1. Now differentiating with respect to x, both sides. Okay, so derivative y square 2y into dy by dx, derivative x square 2x, derivative 2x 2, derivative constant 0 equal to 0. Okay. Now 2 cancel out. Y into dy by dx equal to x minus 1. Okay. Equal to 2 cancel out. Now minus a plus. Okay. Or dy by dx equal to x minus 1 by y. Okay. This is the slope of the tangent. Now use the condition. It's parallel to the x-axis where the tangent is parallel to x-axis. That means dy by dx equal to 0. So here x minus 1 by y equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1. So here coordinate of x is, let us this is x. This is x equal to 1. First coordinate is 1. So what is the y coordinate? Find out. And substitute x equal to 1 on the given curve. Now here curve is given y square minus x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now at the x equal to 1, so y square minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 0. So y square equal to 0. So y equal to 0. Therefore, the point is xy 1 0. This is a point. Okay, so find the point on the curve. What is the point on the curve? Find out. That means actually 1 0 means x equal to 1, y equal to 0. Actually, this is the x equal to 1, y equal to 0. This is a point. Actual curve is this one. Because x equal to 1, y equal to 0. X equal to 1, y equal to 0. Then there is parallel to the x-axis. Okay. Now this is a point. Okay. Now next example is, now find the point. This is another problem. Now find the point on the curve. This is x is given. This is parametric form is given. Where the tangent is perpendicular to the line. So tangent is perpendicular to the line. That means m1 into m2 equal to minus 1. This is the condition. Okay. So m2 equal to minus 1 by m1. This is the condition perpendicular. Okay. Now, or we can write, convert to standard form, 3y equal to minus 4x minus 5, or y equal to minus 4 by 3, x minus 5 by 3. So actually y equal to mx plus c. First step y equal to mx plus c. Now here m equal to this one, and this is the c. हमसे मतलब है m. So 1 is the slope is given. Okay. Now from that one, what is the find out? So this is a parametric form. Okay. The solution is, now dy by dx equal to, this is a parametric form. Use the chain rule. Dy by dt into dt by dx, or you can write dy by dt into 1 by dx by dt. Okay. Now from y, what is the dy by dt find out? dy by dt. From x, dx by dt find out. Then finally we find out dy by dx. Suppose this is equal to m equal to this one. Okay. Now this is m. Find out. Here m equal to given. Another m is given. Minus 4 by 3. So m into minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 1. Then find out what is the t find out. T, after getting the t, now you substitute to get x and y. Okay. Now the code. Now here y equal to this one. What is the dy by dx? Dy by dt. Now 3a is constant. Derivative of t square 1 plus t square. Okay, last class already discussed about what is the derivative of u by v. We know that derivative of u by v. What is the formula? V into du minus u into dv by v square. This is the formula. Yes or no? Now here 3a derivative of u by v. Now this is u, this is v. V into 1 plus t square. Derivative of t square equal to 2t minus t square. Derivative of 1 plus t square equal to 2t divided by v square. 1 plus t square whole square. Okay. Or we can write 3a 2t cube cancel out. Now 2t by 1 plus t square whole square. Or you can write 6at divided by 1 plus t whole square. This is a dy by dt idea. Okay. Then next one is to find out dx by dt. So dx by dt means 3a take out common derivative of t. So t by 1 plus t square. Then use again same formula. Now 3a 1 plus t square, derivative of t equal to 1, then t, derivative of 1 plus t square equal to 2t. Okay, divided by v square. Or you can write, so 3a and 1 t square minus 2 t square, 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square the whole square. This is a dx by dt. Okay, now finally we will find out. Therefore, now we substitute dy by dx equal to, what is that, dy by dt? This is a dy by dt. How much? Right? 6at 1 plus t square the whole square. Then what is the dx by dt? This is the dx by dt, or 1 plus t square the whole square divided by 3a into 1 minus t square. Okay, or this cancel out, a then 3 2. So dy by dx equal to how much? Now 2t by 1 minus t square. Okay, now use the formula. Here given the point, this one, where the tangent, that means dy by dx. What is the dy by dx? This is the dy by dx. Now 2t divided by 1 minus t square is perpendicular to the line. What is the slope of the line? So minus 4 by 3 into minus 4 by 3 equal to, here perpendicular. Suppose parallel is given, write this part equal to this much. Now the perpendicular minus 1. So minus cancel out. So 8t equal to 3 t square minus 1, or 3t square minus 8t minus 3 equal to 0. Now solve the equation. What is the find out? Now this is a quadratic equation. Now quadratic equation means, okay, now we know that from 10th class or first class, suppose ax square bx plus c equal to 0, then what is x? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now here this is quadratic equation. Now t equal to minus b 8 plus or minus b square, 8 square 64 minus 4ac ac 9 into 4 36 by 2a 6. Okay, now this part equal to t equal to, this is 100 plus or minus 10, 8 plus or minus 10 by 6. So t by 18 by 6 होता है, t equal to minus 2 by 6. So t equal to 3, t equal to minus 1 by 3. Now at the t equal to 3, what are going to find out? Therefore at t equal to 3, so x equal to, substitute t equal to 3, 3a into 3 by 1 plus 9, so 9a by 10. Similarly, y equal to 3at square, 3 square by 1 plus 9, so 27a by 10. This is x and y. Similarly, at t equal to minus 1 by 3, find out another quantity. Okay, now this is an example, another example. Find the point on the curve at the tangent curve. X-axis. Okay, perpendicular. Suppose same thing, suppose instead of perpendicular, suppose given parallel. Suppose parallel is given. Suppose parallel is given. Okay, so parallel is given means up to this much is same thing. Okay, now here Suppose another question is same question, but instead of perpendicular, let us say parallel is given. Suppose parallel is given means now convert to standard form. 3y equal to minus 4x minus 5, y equal to minus 4 by 3x minus 5 by 3. So parallel means m1 equal to m2 because their slope are equal. What is m1? This is m1. So 2t by 1 minus t square equal to minus 4 by 3. So how much? 3t equal to 2 into 1 minus t square, okay, or 2t square plus 3t minus 2 equal to 0. Now from this one, what is the t find out? Now substitute, we get the point on the graph. Okay. Now either perpendicular or parallel. But the logic is here. Perpendicular means m1 m2 minus 1. Parallel means m1 equal to m2. Okay. Now next one is. Okay. Now next class we have discussed about the some important problems regarding the plus 2 exam. Okay. Now from book elements book chapter I think application of 10 number 8b, I think 8b, exercise 8b. Okay, so next class we will discuss about the suitable problem for the board break.